Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bermuda app. You will enter to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Bermuda app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. You will turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.